Welcome to today's episode. What are we doing today?
We're gonna make it explode.
All right, we're doing some science experiments,
Yeah.
okay? So what do you have in your hand?
Mentos.
And what is in the container down here?
Coke.
Coke, right. All right, so when you dump the Mentos, make sure that you run a little bit back, okay?
All right, guys, go back far away. Really far.
All right,
Here it is.
yep. Oh man. It didn't work. What? Daddy's inspecting.
What's the special Mentos? What are we missing?
I don't know what we're missing. Well,
Just diet.
guys, don't believe everything you see on YouTube, because we watched lots of videos and it worked.
Wait,
So, no, Tommy, wait. It's okay, it's just water. I'll get more. So our next experiment, hopefully it goes better than that one. Our next experiment is with M&Ms. Did you guys know that the M on M&Ms is just edible paper? It means it's paper you can eat. And we're gonna make them peel right off the M&Ms. Our next experiment that hopefully will go better than the first one. What's in your hands?
M&M's.
Right.
M&M's.
All right. So we have water right here. Okay, put them in the bowl of water.
Come on in.
Good job. So you see the little M's on top? They're going to peel off the M&M and you're going to be able to touch them with your fingers. So we're going to wait 5 to 10 minutes and we'll be back. So this is after 5 minutes. The M's are supposed to be floating. You can kind of see there's a part of an M right there. I actually touched one and got one on my finger. So it kind of worked. It's kind of a good one. So the M is just made of edible. We have water and some salt. We're gonna dump some salt in the water, make it really salty, okay? And then we're gonna put the gummy worms in the salt. Okay, good. And so the gummy worms are gonna start to dance around once they soak up the salt. So we'll come back and check the progress. Well, the gummy worms, did they dance? No. So on to the next experiment. Hopefully the next one will work. So the last experiment we're gonna try is dancing rainbows. So what you do is you take water. Oh dear, that didn't work. Maybe if we had a glass, a thing actually. That'll work. Okay, so now we are gonna take the food coloring. Here, Silas, can you pour some in there for me?
How many?
In here. 5. Would you like to try, Thomas? Can you dump some
1,
in here?
2, 3, 4,
Squeeze. You have to squeeze.
5. It's 5.
Good.
It's working.
Okay, let's color.
I'll do pink. Yeah, one more.
Yep, and then the last one is your favorite color, Thomas. What's your favorite color? Say aloud. What's your favorite color?
Orange.
Orange. All right.
Orange.
So this food coloring is a little bit different. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the paper towels. We're gonna, oh, careful, honey, back up.
Look at that. It's working.
That's pretty colorful, isn't it?
I think it's gonna work.
Yep, this one I'm feeling pretty confident about. The other ones were a disappointment. Ooh, this is
This is really cool. See, it's gonna turn into like these. is purple.
Now they're all in here.
Yeah, what?
Do you see how the colors creeping up?
Yeah.
Are you cold, Thomas?
Look, it's working.
Yep. So we're gonna come back because it needs a little time, and then we'll see what it looks like at the end. Sound good? So this is about as good as it's gonna get, I think. But the color did travel up, so I'd say that's a win. Out of all of our experiments today, most of them didn't go as planned. That's not too bad. So we're gonna go visit Silas. We're gonna talk about our experiment real quick. So, did you have fun doing experiments today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But we didn't get it explode.
Yeah, it didn't explode. That was a big disappointment. So we'll have to try the Mentos and Coca-Cola one again. I think I have an idea of why it didn't work, so we'll try it again.
I know
But
Nana,
yeah.
I know Nana has some special Coke that we can.
Yes, Diet Coke. We did not use Diet Coke, and we also poured it out into another container, and we probably should have left it in the same container. So next time we'll use a different container of Coke. We'll try the Diet Coke. Okay? And also, hey bud, real quick, an experiment is something that you try to see what happens. So it really wasn't a fail, right? We had fun, right? That's all that matters. All right.
This is the only one that works.
Yeah, that one worked pretty well. All right, you want to say goodbye to all your friends?